Hello everyone, my name is Mahmoud Rasmi, and in this course I'm going to be showing you how I started my online freelancing teaching gig. Some of the topics and themes I'm going to be discussing today include the strategic, administrative, management aspect of how I've been doing things, some reflection on what I could have done better, things that it would have been better not to do maybe as well, the marketing aspect, and then some of the personal reflections about why I started doing this and where I see this going. I decided to do something, but I didn't know where to start. Because after all, what can someone with a PhD in philosophy really do? Credibility doesn't necessarily only mean that you have credentials. Some of my observations about this teaching in the marketplace over the past 10 months, should I be doing synchronous courses, or should you just pre-record the courses and post them somewhere where people can access them at their convenience? Focus on building a community and a mailing list. I think about it differently and explore new opportunities, and don't be scared to get out of your comfort zone.